Hey everybody, 7th grade. So we're going to move on with our packet. If you've been watching the other couple videos, we are now getting into some of the specific inventions of the Islamic Empire. So you should turn to the page in your packet that looks like this. All kinds of pictures on it. They're all labeled for you. So we have A as music, B bookmaking, C map making, D is chess, E is science and literature, F is medicine and science, G is architecture, H is math advancements, and I is animal science. So you should all have a paper that looks like this. With this, you're going to be doing a little bit of thinking on your own. There's a little less reading and telling you what to do, and you actually got to use your worldly knowledge. So you continue on to the next page. The directions say the following pictures are inventions and achievements of the Islamic Empire. In the following chart, list the impact of each invention. So I'm not expecting too much out of this. I'm just expecting you to think a little bit of how these inventions literally impact your life. So for the first one, A, music. How does this invention impact the world? What kind of impact does music make on the world? And then, is this an important invention? So depending on your opinion, you're going to answer these questions. Same for bookmaking. How does this invention impact the world? Think of if we didn't have bookmaking, could I make this whole packet for you and the 90 other students on the 7th and 8th grade team? And is this an important invention? So I did see map making as an example for you. So I said this impacts the world because people can travel now, people know where they're going, and they can locate themselves. We didn't have Muslim scholars, Muslim inventors making maps, we likely would be struggling with our world right now. So is this an important invention? I would say, yeah, it definitely is. It's important for explorers in the 1600s and for travelers up today. So anywhere I go, anytime I travel out of state or out of town, for my many concerts and road trips, I always use a map. If I didn't have these Muslim inventions, my world would probably look a little different. So that's what I expect out of this page. Science and literature, medicine and science, architecture, math, animal science, chess, all inventions of the Islamic Empire. Going on to the next page, you're going to tell me which is the most important to you. It's an opinion question. I need a complete sentence. Next page, which is the least important to you? Same thing, it's an opinion question, and I need complete sentences. The next part, you got to put the inventions on the line of importance using the letters. So we have least important to most important. So you're going to look at your packet and go, I think medicine and science, letter F, is way least important. I don't need it. So I'm going to put it over here on this side of my line. And maybe I think architecture, letter G, is super important, so I'm going to put it on the most important. All I want you to do is put the letter of what you're thinking. Moving on with our packets. We're at another reading, so we're going to read together, go over the questions, and that will be this video. So this is the Shiite and the Sunni Muslims. Oops, sorry about that. That was Bambi. She's right here. If you can see her. I don't know. Breaking things now. I'm breaking things. Okay, after Muhammad died, so we're on the Sunni and Shiite Muslims. After Muhammad died, Muslims split into two groups. One group is the Sunni Muslims. 85% of Muslims in the world today are Sunni. Sunni Muslims believe that Muhammad wanted new leaders to be chosen for the community. This means that the best person could be chosen for the job. So it's kind of based on who does the job best is who would get that job. Another group of Muslims is the Shiite Muslims. About 15% of Muslims are Shiite, but the number is still growing. That's my cat's tail. Say hi. Hi. About 15% of Muslims are Shiite, though the number is growing. Shiite Muslims believe that the leaders of Islam should be from Muhammad's family. Shiite Muslims are very dedicated and loyal to their leaders. They believe that a person should be willing to give up his or her life to do what's right. People that do what is right for their religion are called martyrs. Shiite Muslims believe that martyrs will go straight to paradise after they die. Two different groups of Muslims are your questions. Number 2, what do Sunni Muslims believe? Number 3, what do Shiite Muslims believe? Number 4, what is a martyr? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!